So I broke this bit, fairly sharp. I think it would stick in the target, but that'd be kind of boring if I just threw the bit by itself. So maybe I'll put the drill upon it. What's this, 11 feet, I guess. Yeah, not bad.